Thank you guys for checking out this video. So I asked some questions on my Instagram story in regards to what I should do for the next video. So most of you guys voted that I should post riding to St. Mary and meeting some subscribers. So here we go. This is the video. And if you want to be a part of stuff like these, be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Paradise Biker and Facebook Paradise Biker. And I would really appreciate it. Bless.
Give me something, the artist. Give me something on the camera live. Give me something. Yeah. See artist, yeah?
Fully.
Crime. Talk no man. Give me something.
Man.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can't take no trouble.
Yeah, man. Hey.
Father God.
Yeah. Nah.
Yo, the struggle when me face in a life that real. Yo, me not fi tell you about hungry, you know that fail. That's why me go all out on the battlefield. No close cross my back on the street, be a feed. Them never miss the water till the well run dry. What a fret one day, them wake the river up in the sky. You see the next day,
yeah.
You see the next day, and Jim say fall play.
Yeah. What him do? One time Paradise, who this? Christ official, follow him on YouTube. I'm gonna drop everything in the link straight on the screen, so follow him right there. Got no man?
Christ music, YouTube, same way.
Yeah.
TikTok.
Straight, everything.
WhatsApp, everything.
Got no man? One time. Straight up. Currently I'm on my way to St. Mary. I'm going to Freetown and Highgate.
Like, subscribe, ring the notification bell.
Yeah man, people, upcoming artists that you know, so I want to know, go over on him YouTube channel, show him some love, go over on him IG page, show him some love, tell him say Paradise, yeah? Because we are telling the man song body as a shape. Him not shoot no video for that song there yet, because I wait for me to shoot the video, did me? So, I one link said we is it. Alright people, so currently I'm on my way to St. Mary. I'm going to Freetown and Highgate. Hopefully I can reach both places before night come down. But me there I listen to some music, so I not really go vlog. Cause I want kinda settle my brain. Yeah people, so me update to the back when we reach in a certain areas. Alright, so now we reach Mahoney Square. This is the square of Mahoney, which is in St. Andrew. Up there's a Mount Olive. Down here, so now they call it Cassava River. Alright, let's see down here, so now one bridge down here, so the bridge down here is the basic borderline between St. Catherine and St. Andrew. I'm gonna plan to stick behind this a big old truck here. Go straight down, so. What I think even could have just rip your bike and just go in and truck back. Usually down on the bridge, I hear that police is usually down there on Saturdays. You know, on weekends they might dig some food. So You know, if I see the cops and it's a quick U-turn, man, and I'm out of here, brother. That's why I stay behind the truck. Alright, no cops not there. Cause that guy they wouldn't pass without helmet. Oh God! Yeah, this is where the police usually are. Yeah. So this now, passing this bridge, you're in St. Catherine. So me up there to now again. So now we reach Cassava River. I pass the primary school back there. Oh my God. Loose dirt. So we almost reach what them call Big Road. The youth there. Recognize that by the end of the heart. Let me see for my youth there. So take a left turn. Yo! You got one place named Ashley down the road. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type, bro.
I know life is a bitch and shit don't fight fair.
And they told them good to make a noise. Oh my God. So this is the direction you take when you want to go to Glengarth High School. See, through my shocks they no good, my back shocks no good. I take my time. Grateful Hill.
Nobody love you till you there, that's when they might care.
Gas station. Okay, kilak. Oh. Police station.
Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
Alright, so down Bernard Road or whatever they call it. So. Ooh, these turns! Oh Lord! This road was fixed about 2 years ago. Yeah. I remember when it just fixed, they ride on it. Woo! We slide way a while ago, your friend. Some loose dirt in my corner. Slide me way a while ago. The road nice still. Just I take my time and try burn as less gas as possible. Ay, ay, ay. You on the road down there, so I down there, so me I going. Yeah, friend, this is it. The phone feel like it. Let's see. Ooh. Stick to your side. A child is a corner, yeah. Mama granny. Particular. Corner for days, man. I have a 250, you have a 150, I have $10,000. You see me? So if you don't win the 250, hopefully you win the 150. If you don't win the 150, you have $10,000 in your pocket.
Yo, fuck.
Eh?
Come here.
Eh? A walking distance? Right, you do. Bike are good there, sir? Alright. How forward? The 19th. December.
19th December?
Yeah.
Safe money, where me going to collect it?
And we are bring it to you. You see me come over here? Yeah, man. Eh? Respect me, G. Then me not have to give you 2 stickers then, man. Oh. Tube? What's your name? You know, yeah, they in a video, you know. Looking at my face. Say hi. Yeah, they in a video, man. So you don't want a ticket from me, you don't want a bike? Eh? So when me can come collect your money?
How much fees?
15 bills. That's so like never. Eh? Alright, not stress out your brain. What mommy I say?
See mommy now.
Morning mommy, you're on the phone?
Yeah, come off, man, sister.
Oh. Your boy saying love bike, so I want to give him one bike.
You want to give one?
Yeah.
You want to give one bike?
Yeah, but look here.
You don't reach your age?
Yeah man, I'm 16 in good man, he can get in learners. Can get in learner. So what me I do, me I have a raffle, right? And I only 15 bills for ticket, and I give away 2 bike. You can look on it. The white bike yeah, and the yellow bike yeah. This I want brand new bike, and this I want second hand bike, but it pretty same way. If you don't want a bike, you can sell a bike at 200,000 for this, and 130,000, and me I give you $10,000 too. You have 3 chances to win something. Cause one bike me did I put in, and me I say no, that no sound fair. More everybody if you get a chance to win something. So me I have it. Me I keep it December 19. Him not really come, cause me I go live on YouTube, but me I keep it out of Golden Spring. Okay. Yeah, out of, me not sure. Me not remember Rispa, the dude say out there, but and me not think upon the field. But I saw me out of Golden Spring where I keep it. But me I go live on YouTube, cause you watch me on YouTube. Alright. So me I go live on YouTube so you can watch everything what go on. In depth on it already, you know. Yeah man. Big up yourself, big up yourself.
Brawling man, outside team brawling.
Yes sir.
Just get in the ticket then, you see me?
Ah, show it, hold on.
Yeah man.
Show them the ticket.
Just get in the ticket then man, 15 days. Show them the job what you do.
What that neon? Straight up. Whole team.
Look at the camera.
Where's it? You know I wet. Change direction. Yeah. Pad your ball. Hey! Come to Markix, come to. Hold on. Window. Okay, you gotta run out there now. Aye. You come off a bike show, but get in there. We don't see boy them again a highlight, man. Alright, me reach down fall down shop or whatever they call it. So that's a lock up, man. Bernard St. Mary. Why me that say St. Catherine? Yeah man, so it's been like over a year since I've been down here.